guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a crypto and mining updates 2025. So on today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how to place a complete P2P trade on the Binance P2P platform without you getting any disputes raised. First of all, you have to make sure that your Binance account is verified for you to be able to place P2P peer-to-peer trading. P2P basically stands for person to person. So first get your account verified. So yeah, make sure it's verified. The process of verifying it's very simple. Just head on to verify, follow the steps, provide your ID and all of that, then get it verified. Now after getting it verified, now you have some assets on your Binance platform and you want now to place a person to person trading for you to be able to get maybe the funds on your mobile phone. This is how you do it. So head on, open your Binance app after getting it verified, then head on to trades, under trades here, then come and click on P2P, person to person, buy and sell cryptocurrencies using bank transfer and 800 plus options. Click P2P. Okay, so yeah, this is the interface of the P2P market platform. So P2P is like a market platform. So yeah, then you will have an option for buying and selling. So for our case on today's video, we want to place a sell trade, a complete P2P sell trade without complete one without getting disputed. So come and click on sell. So this is if you are selling, click on sell, then proceed. You can see you have a number of ads. So now you'll have to filter these ads. So let's say for my case, I want my payment method to be through M-Pesa. So depending on your side, the country you are, or the type of mobile services you guys are accessing, you'll find it there on your Binance section. So you'll just search for it here. So for my case, it's M-Pesa, and here's M-Pesa. So in my case, I'll click on M-Pesa. On your side, depending on the one you want to use, click on that network or that service. Then the ads are going to be filtered to the ones that are offering person to person trading on M-Pesa Safaricom services. So okay, come and click on amount and filter the amount. Come and filter the amount here. So let's say you want to place a trade of 1000 Kenyan shillings. So okay, 1000 Kenyan shillings, of course, depending on your currency or the amount you want to do that, change the amount and the currency. You will search for your currency there, mobile service there. Then you are set to go. Your P2P filters are set. So you can adjust these depending on the amount you want to trade using P2P. So okay, under the ads now, after they have been filtered, you're gonna see the ones offering the M-Pesa services, most of all the M-Pesa services, because we filtered M-Pesa Safaricom services. So you're going to select the highest bidder. So for my case, I'll select this one going for 128.22 USDT, because when you scroll down, you'll find that these bidders are giving lower amount. So select the highest bidder. So let's say for this case, I'll select this one, RLG. So okay, now this is the platform or the site you're going to land on. So depending on the ad you'll find on your side, this is where you land on. So okay, of course, come and input the amount here. Come and input the amount of USDT you want to sell here. You can see you sell USDT. So come and input, let's say you want to sell 7. Let me 7.8. Let's input 8. So yeah, confirm. Input the amount of USDT there. Confirm your amount. This is the amount you're going to receive on your mobile device or whatever service you have selected. Then okay, so what you do next, make sure you have added your payment method. If you haven't added, just come and click on payment method here. Follow the steps of adding successfully until you add your payment method or your number. Then after inputting the amount you want to sell in USDT, confirming the amount you're going to receive, then proceed to click on sell USDT. Then successfully placed an order. Okay, let's wait for the order to load. So yeah, here's our order. You can see it's waiting for buyer's payment. Now what you do to make this is a secret you can do that no one knows to make this trade go more faster. So if you want this person to complete your trade more quickly, this is what you do. Come on the texting site here, then just tell him I'm online. Just tell them I'm online, then click on send. Then so just do it now. Now after placing your P2P trade like this, you just have now to wait until you receive this amount on your phone. So you don't release the funds without confirming that you have received the correct amount in your phone. So you just have to wait until you receive the funds in your phone, then you'll come and release the payments here. So let me wait for me to receive the funds on my device. After now confirming that you have received the correct amount on your phone, as you can see on the video above, and also see this prompt here, this means that the trade has been submitted successfully. Now you are only remaining with releasing the funds to him. He has already completed his side, he has paid you. Now you have to complete your side of releasing the crypto. So basically here's where most people miss it out. So you should release the crypto after receiving the funds. So what you do, come and click on payment received here. So initially payment received was not available, but after this person completed the trade, the payment received button is now available. So yeah, come and click on I have verified that I have received cash, that amount in my account from the buyer Govin Zengula. So you can also see that on the message on your mobile device. Confirm this is the correct amount and the name. So yeah, after verifying, so come and click I have verified. So you can see if you release the crypto without checking your payment, you may lose your assets. To avoid loss of assets due to bank chargeback, do not accept payments from an associated third-party account. So come and click on confirm release. So, okay, of course you'll have to perform some authentications. So okay, for my case, let me perform mine. So for my case, I'll have to get the code from authenticator, which is easy. So yeah, input those the verification, the email, and the authenticator or whatever verification it will prompt for you. Then after inputting them, this is the last page you land on. Sell successfully, cash that amount on your side also. Then you have an option for reordering and rate your P2P experience. So of course you're going to rate it excellent. If it was easy for you, if it was a bit hard, you're gonna rate it the way you want. But basically that's how you place a complete P2P trade. Now when you do it completely, you're going to see this tick, order completed. So yeah, this is basically how you do it. This is how you place a complete sell P2P trade successfully on Binance without getting any disputes. Now when you go back to orders, and then when you click to all completed, you're going to find your order. It's under completed. Here's the order. You can confirm the name and the amount and the time right now. Yeah, and basically that's how you place a complete P2P order successfully on the Binance P2P market platform. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more crypto updates.